Hello, today we will guide you through how to make Confluence page full width. If you want more space on a Confluence page for text, tables, or wider content, switching the page to full width is a quick and useful adjustment. In this walkthrough, we'll open the page you want to change, locate the page toolbar, and use the width control to expand the layout. To begin, open Confluence, and go to the overview area of the space where your page is located. This is the main space view, and it gives you access to the navigation panel on the left side. If you're starting from a different part of Confluence, just make sure you've arrived at the correct space before moving on. Once you're in the space overview, look over to the left navigation menu and find the page called Sample Page. The page list in Confluence can sometimes be nested or collapse, so if you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the menu carefully. You're simply looking for that specific page name in the sidebar. When you find Sample Page, click on it to open the page. This will take you into the page itself, where you can access the display and editing controls related to its layout. Wait for the page to fully load so the title area and controls are visible. Next, move your mouse to the top area near the page title. As you hover in that section, a toolbar will appear. This is important because some Confluence page controls stay hidden until your cursor is in the right place. If you don't see the toolbar immediately, just move your pointer slowly around the title area until it shows up. In that toolbar, click on Adjust Width. This option changes the page from the standard centered layout to a wider view, giving your content more horizontal space on the screen. It's especially helpful for pages with larger tables, multiple columns, or content that feels cramped in the default width. After selecting the width adjustment, the page should display in full width right away. If needed, give the page a second to refresh visually so you can confirm the layout change. You can then continue working on the page or reviewing the content in the wider format. And that's it. You've successfully made a Confluence page full width.